Did you know that you can make instant 1 million naira profit in your investment in the next 5 days if you invest now in the THELUX Garden Estate Enugu? Now is the perfect opportunity for you to own as many plots as possible in this current location that guarantees you the highest return on your investment here in Enugu State. Now, there are 5 good reasons why you should invest in THELUX Garden Estate, alright? Now, THELUX Garden Estate is located at Enugu-Eke Road. It is 7 minutes drive from Nigeria Breweries. It is 5 minutes drive from 7-Up Bottling Company and Coca-Cola Company, and it is sharing boundaries with the Lion Business Park to show you how amazing this estate is, right? Now, due to the neighborhood and the industry surrounding this estate, it is shown to appreciate rapidly within a short period of time. You'll be making 1 million naira in the next 5 days if you should invest today in THELUX Garden Estate. Amazing, right? This is beautiful. This is one of the reasons why you should make sure you invest in THELUX Garden Estate. Number 2 is that it is very, very affordable, right? Now, THELUX Garden is selling for 2.5 million naira, all prices inclusive, which means that your documentation fee worth 400k now, that's your deed of assignment, your power of attorney, and your registered survey worth 400k right now, is going to be all included in the 2.5 million naira you're paying for. I mean, this is amazing. You should take advantage of the promo sales that is going on, which will be ending on the 31st of this January 2024. Now, take advantage of this promo that is going on to buy as many plots as possible in THELUX Garden Estate. You can own more than 5-10 plots in this current location, and you will not pay for documentation fee, which is worth 400k. This is amazing. This is wonderful. So call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let me help you secure as many plots as possible in THELUX Garden Estate. Number 3, THELUX Garden is a fully registered and well-planned estate, alright, with a lot of features coming up. Number 4, THELUX Garden Estate guarantees you high return on your investment in a short period of time possible, alright. THELUX Garden is very accessible and secure, alright. Like I said, this estate is very close to other estates. There is water in the estate. There are people that are already building their houses. Now, by February, we'll be allocating the plots to our clients that have already purchased this amazing property, alright. Which means that if you buy today, by February, you'll be allocated, your plots will be allocated to you, alright. Now, not only are you buying property in a good location, you are buying a property that will guarantee you a high return on investment if you invest or if you own as many plots as possible, alright. This is an amazing offer for you to invest now, to buy as many plots as possible today, alright, because the location will guarantee you 100 return on your investment in the shortest period of time possible, alright. So invest now in the THELUX Garden Estate and enjoy massive return on your investment in the future, right? You can call me now, like I keep saying, or WhatsApp me now on the number that is displayed on your screen for free inspection and to purchase as many plots as possible today. Happy investing. See you on the next one. Bye.